Hey, welcome back to another video, G Nation.
And I'm looking at this.
This your boy Alex, this is Matthias. We're gonna be doing the Wendy's mukbang.
Hold on a minute, guys. I gotta go get some scissors.
Well, he's trying to open up his toys already.
That's why I can show you this.
He can show you his toys. Bring it to me if you need help. Bring it.
And slice.
Yeah, slice.
The toy is. Hold on, let me see who it is. This guy, I'm liking.
What's that?
And whoa.
Whoa.
Snap, there's stuff inside it.
Okay.
You shouldn't bought the toy. Cool toy.
Cool toy?
I might like this toy. Can you stand up?
Yeah.
Whoa, no, it's coming off. Quick.
Just lay down, just lay down.
Whoa, some stuff. Toys.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I'll just.
So, who got to talk to the people, alright? They want to know.
I remember the last one I made.
Yeah.
The last one we made, people liked it.
So, you ready to go back to school this year?
Nope.
Why?
Oh, yeah.
You been home from quarantine for how long now?
5 hours.
5 hours?
It's been 5 hours.
I remember about 5 months, 6 months? Now school about to open up, so you better ready to go pay, ready to meet your friends?
The people are thinking of not going to school. They might do homeschool again.
They might do homeschool again?
They haven't decided.
You haven't decided? So you want to do homeschool?
No. Homeschool is dumb.
Yeah?
Yeah, so it's annoying.
So what level are you on in Fortnite?
Why are we talking about that?
What?
80.
80? You say you don't even like the new season no more.
I don't play that much.
Why?
Because the new season is a little boring. It's not that much fun.
It's not fun? What's your favorite season?
I could say season 9.
Season 9?
Because it was fun.
Mm-hmm.
Because it had some cool things in it.
Yeah.
Even my favorite gun that just came into the game on season 9.
Yeah?
They never brought the gun back after season 9.
That's crazy. So you only like the fries?
Mm-hmm. They taste good.
Yeah, we order I order nugget, but instead of giving me a nugget, they giving a burger. You really don't eat Wendy's burger that much, guys. So that's why you just eating the fries.
Because I don't like burgers that much.
So how your summer going? Do you like the summer?
I like hamburgers.
You like hamburger? That is a hamburger.
No, like nothing else, just ham.
Just ham?
Yeah, I like that.
You don't like nothing on your burger, just ham?
I ate it when I was at school.
So you don't like the bread, you don't like the tomatoes, the lettuce, nothing?
No, I put the bread, I used to put the bread on, but I don't anymore.
Mm-hmm.
I like eggs.
Alright, man, this chicken sandwich is good, man. That's the only thing I like from Wendy's is the Wendy's chicken sandwich.
If you don't want the fries, can I eat them?
You want more fries?
Oh, sure. I like fries.
You want to go to New York?
New York?
So you trying to go down to New York?
No, I want to go down to Georgia.
Huh?
Georgia.
Oh, you want to go down to Georgia?
Yeah.
I wonder we want to go down to
To
Georgia.
see my favorite family.
Alright. What do you miss about Georgia apart from your family?
Well, the only thing I think I really miss is nothing. Only my family. I don't play Fortnite with them because sometimes they're mean to me.
Alright.
Just because they're better than me doesn't mean they have to bully me, right?
Man, one day you gonna be good at Fortnite. And nobody's gonna be bullying you, right?
I've been playing some creative to get better.
Yeah,
I remember on season 8. I mean chapter 2, season 1, and chapter 2, season 2. I was like the best at the game.
Yeah. What happened?
And then when I started to not play that much,
I'm gonna try your burger. What?
What?
Nothing. So, what you miss about school so far?
First things first, playing soccer.
You miss playing soccer?
Yeah, because it was fun with not that much people. And basketball.
You miss basketball?
Got a basketball court there.
So how you feel you gonna be in second grade this year?
Yeah.
How you feel about that?
I don't really want to.
You're a big boy now. You really don't want to be in second grade? Why you trying to go back to first grade?
Well, I'm okay with second grade. I just hope my friends are in the same class.
Oh, your class?
Because Milo already, remember Milo from my class? Well, he got sent to the other class.
Yeah.
The other one.
They might keep it together, you never know. Or we gonna switch class so y'all can be in the same room. You want more fries?
They won't switch. No, I'm full.
You full? Well, man.
More for you.
More for you?
I might hang this up in my book bag.
You gonna hang it up in your book bag?
I just need to know how to open it. I got a combo panda one.
No, it's something thing. Can it fit on your book bag? Yeah, it can fit. It ain't gonna fall down. Hey, G Nation, man. I hope y'all hit that like
Why
and
you
subscribe
calling
button.
them G Nation?
G Nation, that's my family. You're part of the G Nation.
Only the people that are part of your family that are watching, you call them G Nation.
Yeah, that's my G Nation.
But like the other people, like the fans.
They're all my G Nation. They're all part of the G Nation family, you know? That's why they're watching.
Hold on a second. He doesn't know what he's talking about.
We gonna whisper in their ear?
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
No. He said, he's crazy.
I'm crazy. Oh man.
Comment down below what I said.
Comment down below what he said. Even though I already said it.
I'm a little blim, 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 blim.
So what do you think, me moving down to New York? Think it's a good idea? I don't know what you said to the camera.
Nothing. You
I
can't.
gotta hear it. I'm gonna hear it. What do you think about me moving down to New York? You think it's a good idea?
I called you a bot.
You call me a bot?
Yeah. Only at Fortnite though.
Who at Fortnite?
I don't know.
You think I'm garbage at Fortnite?
Well, sometimes when I play with you, you get lots of kills.
I get a lot to kill.
But I get like 1,000.
Get like 1,000.
I mainly carry him on Fortnite.
Yeah. Oh man.
I don't play duos. I play solos now.
Yeah.
I used to play Team Roman when I was bad at the game.
Yeah. Yo, you were real bad.
Since I'm good, I play solos. But now I might have to go back to Team Rumble.
You wanna go to Team Rumble? Cause you think you bad?
I'm getting bad at the game.
You ain't.
No, I am. Like every game I play, I'm getting losing.
Well, you're gonna get better. You keep practicing, you're gonna get good at it, you know? Yes, I love
And
it.
look, by the way, I am matching.
You mashing? Yeah. Drip, drip. You got the drip.
I got some putty on this.
You got a what?
Putty.
Buddy, you good. You got the drip going though, right? So you want to tell the G niggas
Should I tell them I used to have on my chest.
Nah, don't tell.
That was like weird.
So you want to say thank you to the G Nation for watching our video, mukbang?
Yeah, it was like this video was like. I remember, guys, for the old fans that used to be watching this. If you were,
you're gonna stretch the shirt out.
If you remember the last one we did of this on Chick-fil-A, smash that like button.
Smash the like button. So that means don't stretch your shirt. That means you gotta go back and watch all the video that we did, right? And see which one it is. I know y'all gonna do it, but I let them take.
I probably know this one's gonna get lots of views and like likes, cause the last one did too.
Yeah.
People do like watching us two eat. It's weird.
Alright, look, thank you guys for watching this video with us, man. You know what I mean? This is a mukbang, and we're gonna keep dropping that banger for y'all too, alright? So keep hitting that like and subscribe button so we can be motivated to keep dropping that nice bang.
And peace out.
Peace.